Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we will get acquainted with Arduino. We will show you what Arduino is and what it can do. We'll also show you different Arduino models, or we'll show you what we can find on Arduino. So don't forget to subscribe, and here we go. What is Arduino? Arduino is an open-source electronics platform based on easy-to-use hardware and software. It is a microcomputer that is capable of performing logical, arithmetic, and other operations. The great advantage of microcomputers is that they do only and exactly what the user wants. It all depends on how we program the microcontroller, or what components we decide to use. The components that are compatible with Arduino really are many. The possibilities of Arduino are limited only by imagination. The board itself doesn't offer much, but once you start connecting components, the usage increases rapidly, and you can do a lot. For example, controlling your house over the internet, watering plants in times of drought, a mobile phone app. Arduino can come in many model variants. Their list can be found on the Arduino website. More models are being added all the time. Among the best known and most used development boards is the Arduino Uno. Whether the original Rev 3 or any of its clones will be using this type of Arduino in future. Among other models, it is worth mentioning the Arduino Mega and Mega 2560. These are larger and more robust variants of the Arduino Uno. On the other side of the spectrum is the Arduino Nano, which is suitable for smaller projects. It is well packaged, cheap, but lacks the number of pins of its bigger brothers. Such an anomaly among Arduinos is the Lily Pad, which is very specific in that it is used as part of a variety of clothing, such as electronic reflective vests for cyclists. Sometimes Arduino Shields can be used with Arduino. Shields are expansion modules that are just put on the Arduino. There are a number of them, such as Ethernet Shield, Wi-Fi Shield, GSM Shield, Bluetooth Shield, and others. What can we find on an Arduino? The first thing one notices is the microcontroller, or microprocessor. This part controls the entire Arduino and is needed for the Arduino to function. There are also two connectors. The first is to the computer, and from it we will program the Arduino. And the second connector is for the power supply of the Arduino. There is also a reset button. This restarts the program and clears the values in the variables. Then there are the pins. We will connect the pins to different modules and sensors. There are basic pins, analog pins, power pins, and more. That's about all there is on the Arduino. Wiring the Arduino is easier than we would expect. When our Arduino with a USB connector to our computer, we're actually ready to program. However, we also need a dedicated environment for programming, which will be the subject of the next video, so don't forget to like and next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.